Want to turn any t-shirt design into a professional mock-up in under 3 minutes? Grab your design, open Photoshop and let's go. First, download a high-quality t-shirt mock-up. Free ones work, but paid ones usually look more realistic. I'm using resourceboy.com, a website that provides you free PSD mock-up files. It comes with built-in smart objects which makes editing super quick. Select the design you like and click free download. Open the PSD file in Photoshop and look for the layer named Your Image or Design Here or Smart Object. Double-click on it. Here, paste your design, resize it if needed, and hit Save. Photoshop automatically applies wrinkles, shadows, and highlights, making it look like a real shirt. You can also change the t-shirt color by adjusting the color fill layer and create multiple versions in minutes. Once you are happy, export your mockup as a JPG or PNG file ready to sell, post, or showcase. And that's it. Your custom t-shirt mockup is ready in under 3 minutes. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that notification bell for more such content. Thanks for watching.